Welcome everyone. Today what we're going to do is we actually have a great little gift that we received this past week, and we're going to give a little preface, like a little story behind where it came from, and then we'll do a little unveiling about what was sent to us, and as you may know, my name is Mr. Anderson. I'm here in room 212. I am the director of Frankford High School Television. Today with me is
Shamar Davis, and I was the producer of the Don't Let Pain Become a Killer.
So last year we entered a contest. That contest was run in part by PCN, the PIAA, the Attorneys General of Pennsylvania. They ran a contest that basically had students in high school create a video in order to help curb the opioid abuse in Pennsylvania and hopefully actually nationwide. It was a little PSA. PSA is a public service announcement if you're not familiar. So actually, before we get too far into it, why don't we actually watch a little clip of, it's only 30 seconds long. We'll watch the video. So, coming back from that, it was a fantastic video. If you haven't watched any state championship games this year, try to check one out because I've watched a couple of them back in the spring, and our video did play as a commercial. It actually is broadcasted on PCN, which is phenomenal. And then it's also played at the actual events as well on their Jumbotron. Let's talk a little bit about the video. So what was the idea behind the video last year?
Well, the idea was like more athletic because it was more PIAA, and you always know that PIAA is like sports wise. So I just thought of it like, hey, why don't we just do like a little sports scene? So with my group mates, I got it together. It wasn't hard. It was just had to get it right, had to get all the stuff right, all the lighting, camera angles, all that together so that it would become like this. Honestly, I didn't expect to win. I just thought it was going to be like a little fun project just to have a good grade in class, but wind up winning, and yeah.
So let's talk a little bit about the winning. So obviously I already referred to about how the videos played on all of the championship games, whether it's with the commercial or the Jumbotrons. But what else did we win?
Oh man!
So one sitting in front of me now, right?
Oh yeah, the basketball.
So obviously it was a basketball sitting in front of us. The reason why it was a basketball is a group of us were able to actually go out to the PIAA Boys Basketball Championship. I think it was the 2A, if I'm not mistaken, but I might be wrong. But we actually received the basketball that day. Every member of your group was actually able to sign it here, and this is our little trophy. One of the other things that was a little trophy was what? What was the big part?
We got this this document, like an official document that says "Don't let pain become a killer," like an official like. Like a
little award certificate.
Yeah, award certificate. Yeah.
All right. Mm-hmm. And then most importantly, which really helped out the class, what's the last thing that we actually won? The big thing we were able to get.
Well, this box.
Well, we got sent this box as a little gift to us, but there was one last little thing. It was something that had little 3 zeros afterwards. You remember?
Oh, yeah, $1,000.
All right, yeah, there's go. So we got sent a $1,000 check, or given a $1,000 check at half court as well as part of the winnings. And I'd like to say we haven't finished it yet, so that's why we haven't done a grand unveiling, but. What you see behind us is the set that we're going to be recording all of our FKD TV in front of when we do portraits and different things like that. That's all situated behind us. That was actually built with the winnings that we received from this contest. We have some things left over, which I have some other things in the store for, but we'll have to see them as they come, and some more additions that are going to go behind us to kind of round out this studio. But I was asked the day of the event where we went out for the basketball and the check and receiving it all center court and being recognized for winning the contest. They asked me, what do I think that I'm going to spend the money on? And the first thing that I immediately said was I wanted to buy the rest of the supplies in order to build the set. So when we posted our little, hey, the set is just about done photo, we got a little more things to do. PCN, which is the Pennsylvania Cable Network, they actually reached out and said that they wanted to send us a little gift box in order to, a little swag bag, I should say, of some materials in order to basically congratulate us and also welcome in our little studio that we built. So today's video is specifically to kind of unbox this. This is the first time we're opening it, so we're not sure what's inside, but I wanted to open it and we'll see what's in there, and we'll decorate our little studio here and our TV station for when our recordings go. So, all right, you ready? All right, I'll let you do the honors, Mr. Producer. You can open that up and let's talk about what's inside. It looks like right here. I did cut the tape to make it a little easier. So let's open it up. All right, and let's take out some of the stuff. So first off, we have a note. So why don't I read the note for us? Yes. And then why don't you take out a couple things and put them in front of you of what we have. We have a couple duplicates, so what we'll do is we'll take one of each out, and then we'll go through this. So the card says, FKD TV, congratulations on the new studio. PCN is proud to see young broadcast professionals getting the new space. We look forward to all the creative content FKD TV will produce in the new studio. Please enjoy this box of PCN swag to use in the new studio. All right, so it looks like a mug with PCN on it. We have some flyers. Mm-hmm. All right, what else you got? We got some stickers that says, I watch PCN. Maybe we'll slap that up on the wall over there.
They gave us a cow. I don't know what that signifies, but...
All right, so I'm going to assume that where it is because it is in farm country, out where I think PCN headquarters is. I'm not 100% on that, but I'm fairly certain they're out by Harrisburg. And there's a lot of farms out there. So I'm going to assume that this is their mascot. I apologize. I actually don't know off the top of my head, but that's going to be my assumption. All right. And there's all different ways in order to, it says to support PCN, and it gives about their policies and their history and about the sports. So if you would like to support PCN, they have a mailing address at 401 Followway Field Road in Camp Hill, PA, 17011. There's also PCNTV.com to donate, or you can text PCN TV to 877-907-9770. And then you can watch either on cable in Pennsylvania and then streaming worldwide on PCN Select.
Or if you want to stream PCN, they gave us a little barcode.
Ah, all right. So people can go onto that PCN Select on their website and actually watch PCN from anywhere in the world, which is really awesome. Anything else that's in here that maybe we missed? We want to make sure we cover everything. Looks good. I like these mugs. I'm going to say I am a big coffee drinker, so I'm sure we got a little coffee maker on the side, so maybe we'll be using
I myself like tea. But...
So, all right. So maybe we'll bring some tea in. So, but all right. So these are awesome gifts. We really, really appreciate it. I want to say thank you on behalf of Frankford High School and FKD TV. And I'm sure Shamar here says the same. So do you have anything else to add before we say goodbye?
All the thanks. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much from FKD TV. Be on the lookout for more episodes of our student news coming up and other events. We just recorded the dodgeball event last week, so we got to finish.
What a game! What a game!
Finish that up and put that out. So, and we have some sporting events coming up too. So be on the lookout. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.